Bless up everyone. You know, say, I move over their country. I walk out the pine ground, you see me? Find 2 pine. I'm morning here. And as a country youth to grow a town, I enjoy this green. You get me, I say? Green vibes, you get me, I say? Just nature outside and no Wi-Fi, no email, no work. You get me, I say? Just nature outside. Love it. Absolutely love it. But yes, so here I was traveling through the jungles of St. Thomas, looking for pine. Little did I know that something was lurking in the tall bushes. Unsuspecting to me was a creature that was as big as the pine. Can you imagine what I found? Stay tuned. Jeez, crime. People, me there I pick pine, as in my previous video. And buck up on the demon. I hope you see me now. Him big your fat. No, sir. I'm going to try to get an angle now. I'm jump high. See a piece of stick, yeah? Remember a country within the ground. The town, man. The country we born. And the boy there big. Look, Look. Go here. Watch out. Me backside. A frog this? Look on the frog and look on the pine stack. The frog big like the pine. Jesus Christ. You know me I go up. I go back at town. We can't manage this. This you know that you see about Jesus Christ. We can't hold it. Yes, I'm a professional cameraman, Hold the camera steady. Hold the camera steady, cameraman. Oh Jesus, then I'm done.